Hello and welcome to ECMK. I'm going to show you how to upload your evidence for verification to join the scheme. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the web address assessorhub.net, and this is where you'll upload all the documents required to join the scheme. So we need to enter your username. That will be your email address that you provided to us to join the scheme. So we'll enter that in there, and your password will be password 123 @ So that's password with a capital P. So we've already set this password for you. So username, your email, enter the password, press enter, and you're presented with this screen where it'll enable you to change your password. So just enter your email address in there and enter your password. Your password must contain a capital letter, a symbol, and a number. So if you want to change it now, you can do, but if you don't want to, just press the cancel button, but we recommend that you do change your password. So this is your home screen, and then we'll click on the button on the left-hand side called Member Management. We'll go into here and we can see we've just got some generic information about you, because all we know is your email address and your name. So we've got some rogue data in there, and what we require you to do is see these series of tabs across the bottom. There's one called Attachments. Press the Attachments tab, and you've got Add Attachment or Mandatory Attachments. Mandatory Attachment is where we require everything we need from you to join ECMK. As we can see, we have all the mandatory attachments required. So there's an application form, we need copies of your CPD, we need your CRB. Credit check is what we do, so don't worry about that. We don't require anything from you on there. Insurance check, so if you've got an insurance policy or using pay-per-click. A head and shoulders photograph of you. Proof of address, such as utility bill. Proof of ID, such as a driving licence or a passport. The qualifications, so any qualifications you're applying to join the scheme for. And finally, the scheme check is what we do. So we'll do that scheme check. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload some files. So if I press the Choose File button, and then I'll open up a web page and I'll select what I want to upload. So I've selected Choose File, and I've selected an application form here. I'm just going to select some more files. Depending on the type of computer you use in the browser, I've got a different computer, so I'm selecting some files here from a browser and I'm just dropping them into Assessor Hub. So I've uploaded some CPD. Again, don't worry about it. I'm going to upload my insurance check. And it might be where that's the only documents I've filled out so far. So if I press the Save button, so I haven't sent everything up, but I've uploaded 2 or 3 documents ready. We can see where those attachments have been uploaded successfully. So if I go back now and we go to the Attachments tab, this now shows me a record of the documents I've just uploaded. So there's my insurance, there's my CPD, and there's the application. And the status is waiting verification. So what that's done now is it sent a notification to our admin team to verify your documents. If you want to add some further documents, just go to the Upload Attachment, press Choose Files, select what you want to choose. I've selected a CPD record. If I press Upload, it's now asking me what that member attachment type is. So as this is a test, I'll say it's my CPD planner. And if I press Save there, we can see where it's uploaded my CPD planner. It's awaiting verification. And if I go back to the Attachments tab, I can see now I've got 4 documents. So they're all waiting. That's all been sent to our admin team now. So every time we've got an awaiting verification, it's been sent to them. So if I just do another check on my mandatory attachments, the aim is that we need to upload something for each section. Once we, the scheme, received everything, obviously remember the credit check and the scheme check are 2 that we do as the scheme, so ignore those, but we need documents for everything else. Once we've got all that, we can then verify you and set you up as a scheme member. But if you do have any questions or queries or problems, or there's anything with the software, please let us know on these contact details showing now. Look forward to seeing you at ECMK, and thanks for listening.